Despite the severe winds, I couldn't suppress the urge to communicate with my GT-R. I drove through the raging storm, and as usual, I opened the trunk to grab a drink, but the moment I tried to close it, a strange resistance transmitted through my left hand. I compared the left and right hinges, searching for the truth. My eyes traced the distorted metal. I saw the harsh reality, reverse joint. This was a cruel sentence for a machine I've known for decades. My composure as an engineer was about to be swallowed by despair. A dark thought crossed my mind. Is she beyond repair? Frozen by that thought, I couldn't move for a long while. In that moment of despair, I met two veterans, a gentleman in a Honda City. I wasn't sure if he sensed my trouble, but he approached me with a friendly smile. I found myself opening up to him, confessing the disaster that had just struck my car. In return, he shared his own stories, the countless challenges he had overcome with his beloved city. He has cherished his machine for over 40 years. As the loader arrived, he simply nodded and turned away. His fading bark seemed to whisper, "You've got this, she will ride again." He told me that maintaining a classic is not about original perfection. It's about the wisdom and the will to keep it moving. As an engineer, I refused to give up. I crafted wooden stopper, a precise solution born from 13 years of shared wisdom. My tools and my hands exist for moments like this.